Wala naman tayong naging problema since the 1987 Constitution pagdating sa mga witness. So simple lang, sa lahat ng ating kababayan, let them testify.
Sir, hindi daw pa papasukin yung resource person, sir.
Bakit nga hindi? Kayo ang nasa media. Martial law ba tayo ngayon? Bawal ba magkaroon ng guest? So kung hindi nila i-recognize ang Blue Ribbon Committee, bawal kami magkabisita dito. Ang may control ng Senate premises is the Senate President. That is in the rules. Hindi po ang USAA or kung sino man. If you look at, if I'm not mistaken, in section, I'll get my rule first. We will have our staff. This is an extraordinary situation. If they're willing to...
Ay, sir, dito naman po.
Okay na po yun, sir. Ayan.
Start tayo, ha? The Senate shall elect in the manner provided, herein provided, a President, President pro tempore, Secretary, Sergeant of Arms. These officers shall take their oath, okay? The officers shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Okay? So, Senate Secretary, OSAA, Sergeant at Arms, pro tempore, and President, kailangan 13 ang boto. 13 ang boto. May 13 ang boto ba kapag? Ano po ang sabi ng Section 10? The term of office of the President, at sa ngayon po, ako yon, the President pro tempore, na sa ngayon, si Senator Loren Legarda yon, the Secretary and the Sergeant of Arms shall begin upon their election and shall end when their successors shall have been elected. O, i-assume nyo na. Hindi ko sinasabing tama, ha? Mali yung ginawa nila kapon. I-assume nyo na 100%. Tama yun. I-assume nyo. Did they elect my successor? Okay, yung sumagot. Did they elect a Senate President? So, ano sabi Section 10? And when their successor shall be elected, they did not elect my successor. So, I am still Senate President. So, tignan nyo ang powers ng Senate President. Kasama doon yung pag-manage ng premises ng Senado. So, kung sino man ang hindi susunod sa amin dito na papasukin, is going against the rules of the Senate and the Constitution of the Philippines. Ganun lang kasimple.
Sir, sabi na yung 18. Nasaan na po yung 18?
Pumapasok mo sa baba pero pinitigilan.
Aha. So, anong gagawin po ninyo?
Sinusundo ni Senator Pia. Baka gusto yung sundan doon.
Opo.
Nandun
And
siya
as
ngayon.
we speak,
As we speak, nandun siya. Go to the lobby if you wanna speak.